Are you in need of media service such as live streaming, photography, video production, graphic design works like logos, flyers, brochures? Heritage Media got you covered. Contact us on 0246 501946 or 0207 013485. Heritage Media, the home of transformation.
Hello guys, welcome back to Heritage Media YouTube channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to like this video and share. So our last video was how to download the Adobe Photoshop, and today our lesson is going to be how to install the Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get going.
Are you in need of media service such as live streaming, photography, video production, graphic design works like logos, flyers, brochures? Heritage Media got you covered. Contact us on 0246 501946 or 0207 013485. Heritage Media, the home of transformation.
So let's start by installing. So let's install our Adobe Photoshop. So first I'll go to my file explorer, then let me maximize it. Then I'll go to where my file is, where I downloaded the file. So the file is located at my hard disk Heritage Media. So here's the file. Then I will right click on it and click on extract to get into PC, blah blah blah. Then it will ask for a password. The password is 123. Then you click on OK. So it's extracting. Okay, so the file has finished extracting. So here's the folder where the setup is found. So I'll open it. Then let me view it in extra large icons. So here is the folder, and this is the setup. You right click on it, you run as administrator, then you click on yes. You allow the administrator rights. So you see that it's loading. Then the setup dialog box will appear. Okay, so here is it. The setup dialog box, Adobe Photoshop installer. So when it looks like this, you don't have to touch anything here. You see, an earlier installation of this product was found. This product will be installed as its original location. The reason is I have already installed it on my computer, so there's no need to install it. But if you have not installed it, you will not see this. So you just click on continue, then it will finish installing. When it reaches 100%, then you are done. Okay, so that's how to install the Adobe Photoshop installer, the Adobe Photoshop. So our next lesson is going to be what is graphic design. We'll talk about elements of graphic design or elements of design. Then we move on from that place. So thank you. Here is Heritage Media. I'm Michael. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
Are you in need of media service such as live streaming, photography, video production, graphic design works like logos, flyers, brochures? Heritage Media got you covered. Contact us on 0246 501946 or 0207 013485. Heritage Media, the home of transformation.